Upbeat music playing. Hey, bye smart fam. Welcome back to another epic showdown where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone battle that's hotter than a summer barbecue. In the left corner, we have the Holy Stone HS720E, and in the right corner, it's the Bwine F7GPS. Grab your popcorn, and let's see which one of these bad boys is going to take the crown. Ready, set, drone, music fades, transition to comparisons. Alright, let's start with the price. Holy Stone HS720E comes in at a cool $399. It's like the budget-friendly superhero we all need. On the other hand, Bwine F7GPS is priced at $501. Ouch, that's like paying extra for guac at Chipotle. So if you're looking to save some cash, Holy Stone's got your back. Now, let's talk cameras. Holy Stone boasts a 4K camera with electric image stabilization and a Sony sensor. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your hands. Meanwhile, Bwine steps up with a 4K camera too, but adds a 3-axis gimbal for that extra stability and a 120 degrees FOV lens. It's like Bwine said, "Hey, let's make a drone that can film a Michael Bay movie." So if you're all about those smooth cinematic shots, Bwine might just be worth the splurge. Next up, flight time. Holy Stone gives you 46 minutes with its Fly More kit. That's 2 batteries, folks. But Bwine isn't here to play. It offers a whopping 50 minutes with its 2 batteries. So if you're planning on being the next drone marathon champion, Bwine's got you covered. And how about wind resistance? Holy Stone's got some stable flight tech, but Bwine takes it to another level with level 6 wind resistance. It's like the difference between a paper plane and a Boeing 747 in a storm. Bwine's like, wind? What wind? Let's talk range. Holy Stone's got GPS and auto return home, so you don't lose your drone like you lose your car keys. But Bwine? Oh boy, it's got a 10,000 feet transmission range. That's like flying from your house to your ex's house and back without them even knowing. Sneaky. User experience is crucial. Holy Stone has some cool modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It's like having your own personal drone assistant. Bwine also has GPS auto return, Follow Me, and waypoints. Plus, they're super quick to resolve any issues. It's like having a customer service ninja on speed dial. And what about those extra goodies? Holy Stone packs in a carrying bag, while Bwine includes a carrying shell case, extra propeller blades, and even an Allen wrench. That's right, folks, Bwine's got your back if you need to MacGyver your drone mid-flight. Amazon reviewers have a lot to say about these drones. For the Holy Stone HS720E, users love its high quality, ease of use, and impressive features at a budget-friendly price. However, some have received used units but praised the excellent customer service for quick replacements. On the other hand, the Bwine F7GPS is cherished by both beginners and seasoned flyers for its easy setup, stable camera, and responsive controls. Minor limitations in battery life and Wi-Fi signal were noted, but overall, the drone is appreciated for its usability and packed features. Upbeat music playing. So there you have it, bye smart fam. The Holy Stone HS720E is your go-to if you're on a budget and want a solid all-around performer. But if you're ready to splurge a bit and get those extra features and stability, Bwine F7GPS is your sky-high superstar. Which one will you choose? Drop your comments below and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Host waves, music fades, screen transitions to channel logo, voiceover. Buy smart, helping you make smarter choices, one comparison at a time.